Today I'm going to be showing you how to get on a unicycle. So if this is your first time, obviously take baby steps, but this is like, if you've been doing this more than like a couple months, you probably feel a little comfortable. But for you beginners out there, so I first got this like 3 years ago, guys. I was sucking at this, like I stunk. Like I didn't know what I was doing. And then after a week, I was killing it. But I'm going to be showing you how to get on a unicycle today, guys. Alright guys, so first step, how to get on a unicycle. You want to lean on something to feel the grip, because obviously when you're beginning, you can't just get right on without leaning on something because it doesn't have any support. So you need to lean on something to get its support. So like for example, basketball ball, stocky. Second step, whatever foot you feel comfortable with, use that pedal on the bottom. So like I'm comfortable with my right foot, so I'm getting on the right pedal on the bottom. Third step, you want to try to sit, feel a little comfortable, get used to it. And then last step, slowly put your other foot on. So it's my left foot that I get on the left pedal on the top. And after that, you just want to feel comfortable, because don't start to ride off without feeling comfortable, because if you do that, like my friend did earlier, he busted his butt, yo. I mean, he busted his butt. So you want to feel comfortable. And then go. You see how I'm comfortable? I'm not like jittering around, because if you jitter around, you're gonna fall, crack your head. So that's how you get on the unicycle, guys. One day, you want to turn the unicycle, you want to basically get on again. All you want to do is feel comfortable when you want to turn. Move your butt like right away, like that. All right, guys. So if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, comment for more. It's me, your boy Ball until Vaughn. I'm gonna try to upload more. Peace out. All right, guys. I know I didn't say in the beginning of the video, but you always want to wear a helmet so you don't bust your head. Peace out.